Hi Cancer, this is your career reading for the month of November and December. Whatever is left of November and the December month, to see what is coming to you in terms of your career by the end of this year, and what energies are going to affect you. And I have seen the cards, I have taken them out, I have clarified them to find the real message that is for you in terms of your economy. So what's influencing you? The zodiac sign of Cancer in this time period is the Queen of Pentacles. So there could be a feminine energy which is pervading you in terms of your economy. You want to be practical, and you have this practical energy in this time period. So let me see your 10th house energy. So your 10th house energy is of Aries. So in this time period, you want to be stable, you want to be long term in situations, you want to keep your job, you want to look after your family, you want to be practical in your approach in terms of your money. This means that you are making a choice with the King of Wands energy. So the Lovers and the King of Wands could be that your 10th house is showing this influence of good choices, harmonious choices with a partner. Your partner could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You are wanting, or a Gemini. You are wanting to, solve all problems, move towards a leadership position, keep your wealth situation intact. You want to have a future which is very stable in this time period. So you will be moving slowly in this time period with the Knight of Pentacles approach. So you will be wanting to keep a job, you will be doing whatever is necessary to stick to the contract, trying to make changes very slowly. It's so long, so slow and steady wins the race. That is your motto. And with the Eight of Pentacles, you will be working very hard. Some of you are learning new crafts, some of you are in a new situation, and you are doing your work tirelessly, and you'll be able to provide money or contribute in your economy in this time period. However, you are coming out of Five of Pentacles, you are coming out of a poor situation, you are coming out of a failure, you are coming out of a situation that did not work out for you. So finally you are on a new job, you are on a new target and a new deal that you are working on, and that will give you money to support your economy. So the path is clear. With the Eight of Wands, your situation in your economy will progress in this time period. So you, regarding an old situation, you are letting it go. In the month of November, you are letting go of an old situation or a old method or a old craft. And so it could be connected to showing your strength in a situation that was poor or miserable. So you will be showing your courage, you will be showing your patience, and the rewards will come to you because there is Three of Wands in the month of November. You can look forward to a good news in your economy, some returns which you, so the things that you invested in will fetch you returns now. So you can expect a good return or good tiding in the month of November. As you move forward in December with the Hermit and the Chariot, Chariot signifies you, Cancer. It also tells us that you have a motto, you have a desire that you want to fulfill, you have a target that you want to fulfill, and the journey is not easy. But in the month of December, you can, in terms of work, you can expect to see good news. You can expect to see by your careful and your very spiritual approach in terms of your work, because you are living frugally, you are investing intelligently, you are being wise in your situation, and you are focused in this time period. So there can be possibilities of money coming from abroad. There is a possibility of settling abroad, going abroad, or going or moving to get things done in this time period. You could be approaching a new beginning. Some of you are wanting to start a new work, new situation, and you will be going towards that. You will have a Queen of Cups approach. This is, caring for what you do and caring, being creative in your situation, and very wise and very discerning in this time period regarding your economy. With the King of Wands as influence, what I feel is that some of you are wanting to start your own consultancy, your self employment in this time period. Some of you want to explore entrepreneurship, and you will be taking it forward with a slow and steady pace. So you will be working on your craft with the Eight of Pentacles. Definitely it's some of you on your traditional or original talent in this time period. So the outcome is telling me that with the Magician energy which is supporting you, you are going to manifest a Nine of Cups situation in your economy and the Queen of Pentacles. So Queen of Pentacles coming once again, telling us that whatever is influencing you, you will be able to fructify that. So the desire, the influence, the inspiration that is coming to you in this time period, whether from your own country or from outside, from your partner or from anyone outside, you are going to manifest your wish fulfillment in terms of economy, and you are going towards a long term situation for yourself, which will be paying you, providing for you and your close people, and it will be based on your creative energies. You will be able to nurture this energy, and your economy, your wealth, your happiness, and your close ones happiness will move forward with the Magician energy which you are manifesting in this time period. So your beneficial energy is Three of Wands. Wait for whatever has to come to you, which is coming to you 99.9%, and that is the advantage. So whatever you have invested in will be giving you rich dividends in this time period. Expect the best. So let's read out the Lenormand oracle for you. So card number 21, the Mountain card, is your card, and it is telling us that you have a desire to come out of all your problems and you want to accomplish your ambition. So realize your ambitions in parallel to others. Do not create excess in this time period. So you are keen to come out and see your ambitious professional initiative through to the end. Focus your energy on commitment, and if you have good work method, you will be able to enjoy your economic improvements with your friends and family. So a closed deal will repay all the sacrifices that you have made in this time period. Method, consistency, and drive are the aces up your sleeve. You will achieve excellent results in your work. Appreciation from others will encourage you to aim even higher. Solid preparation and efficient physical condition will make your rise rapid and complete. Money wise, after repeated sacrifices, you will be reinvesting with courage. Financing that solves a problem will happen. Credit due to you will come for recovery. Unexpected success will encourage you to risk a little more. Secure incomes in this time period. So this is what I have for you, Cancer. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting more readings all through the month of November and many new readings in December. So anyone who is interested in solving their specific problems and these readings are not solving them, you can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so decide and then contact me through the email ID in the description box, and I will reply to you with the method, with the procedure. And till then, enjoy, keep enjoying. You don't have to, book my readings just for the sake of, endorsing me or anything, because if you do not have a problem and if these videos which are free for you are solving your problems, you don't need to book any reading with me personally. So keep enjoying these readings. Please spread these readings to other Cancerians or any other reading from my channel to other people, your family members. Uh, Everyone will benefit from these videos, which uh, are based on spiritually praying and then, disseminating the message to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.